Hello everyone, in this episode of Tech Video, we will be going through three amazing AI applications that are absolutely fantastic. These apps are designed to boost your productivity, creativity, and in general life. So let's delve into it and explore this tool together. Starting out with number one, we have Krisp. Now Krisp is one of the most beautiful AI powered applications that allows you to actively cancel the noise in the background while the meeting is going on. Like it can be used for Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, Zoom and Skype, and it's really amazing. Now let me show you how this really works. Now on their official website we have this demo just to give you a bit of a demonstration with it.
Thank you very much for reaching out. What can I help you with today? I'm sorry to hear that. Can you please provide your name?
Good morning. I'm just calling to remind you that we have a meeting this coming Thursday at 10 a.m. in our office. Be sure to send me all the necessary files and the design materials prior to that.
I was informed only yesterday that we should participate in a conference that's coming up next month. I've already shared my screen with you so you can see all.
So it's pretty amazing. Now when you download it here based on your operating system, I'm using Windows. What you would do here by going into get Krisp for free and then sign up for the account to get this access to it. And then that's where you can download the application by simply click on the download Krisp. If you're using macOS, you can simply download here. Now since I'm using Windows, I have already downloaded here and I will show you how to use this. So once you install the application, you can click on the show me how, and then it's gonna tell you which application do you use here. Cancel the noise actively in the meeting. Since I use Teams, so I would select this. Now it's gonna give you some instruction where you can then set it up in the team. Now I'm gonna go to my team, go to setting, and then go to devices and select the speaker to Krisp speaker and the microphone to Krisp. Now it should be working now perfectly fine. Now once you set up, click on the make a test call. As you can see here, we have this noise cancellation enable of the Krisp. So if I go back to the Krisp now, you can see here I can click on the I have set up the scripts. And now you can see how we have already set up everything. Now it's gonna transcribe it and enable the voice cancellation. I'm gonna cancel this, and now the noise cancellation is enabled. Now although it gives you 1 hour every single day, but it should be enough for most of the average users. So let's move on to the next tool. Well, AIVA is one of the most fascinating AI music generator based on your preferences. Now let me show you how this really works. Although AIVA does work on the browser, but it's better to download here their desktop application. Now if you're using different operating system, you can download it here. Anyway, since I have already downloaded, I will show you how this really works. When you open up here the AIVA application, what you can do here is click on the create track and then from a style. Once you select it, you have a different style. Based on that, you can create and generate music through AI. Now, if you go to the chord progression, step by step or upload implement, you can even upload your own music that it's gonna generate the music based on your preferences. Anyway, so what I would do here is go to the styles and choose it here from the predefined one. And then if I select this one, I can tell to AIVA to create a music for me similar like that. I would simply click on create, and now it's just keep everything by default and create tracks. Now it's gonna generate this for me, although it's gonna take a little while. Here we go. Now what I can do here is then right click on this and then open in editor. Now inside editor I can edit the music based on my needs. Like if you click on the bass and the extra, this is gonna reveal all the necessary details, all those basses and sound effects within that has been used. Now if I press space here, now this is just a pure AI generated music. You can then play around here with the different codes, trying to customize it and make the music on your own way. I do want to mention here that it has a limit for free user. You can download only 3 music within a month. Now if you would like to download it, what you would do here is go to the home and then simply click on this icon. Then download should be started right away. Coming up number 3, we have Beedone. Now, Beedone is one of the most beautiful application for productivity in more of a fun way to kind of become the master of your productivity. Now, let me show you how this works. When you open up here their official website, you click on this Begin Your Adventure. It is free. Now, once you do that, it's gonna ask you to kind of sign up with new account. I'm gonna continue with my Google. It's gonna ask some question to kind of tailor the whole experience for you. For example, which best describe you? I would select the student, and I think that is fine. Now let's click on next, and now it's tell you what's holding back your success story. I would select here the inconsistency and then click on next. Now we can then again click next, morning/night routine, and then simply click on next. Let's go with the 3 and click next, and then click next again, and then click next again. As you can see here, it's gonna tailor the whole homepage experience based on your usage and the question that has been asked from you. Now as you can see here, what we can do here is add here a habit hierarchy, or we can add here a to-do list from here. So what I would do here is that create a new task for me. Now it has a AI generated prompt, by the way, like it's just simply generate for you things more descriptively. Let me show you. If I type here a task here, and then once I click on the save, now it's gonna create me this beautiful list for this. And if I select this, as you can see here, it's telling me how much level it is. You can then select here any of those. For example, if I would like to work on it for almost around 3 p.m. or maybe 4 p.m., I can select it and then confirm it. Then simply click on the done. Now if you would like to add here a habits, by the way, what you can do is click on the habits, and then you can then do all the necessary things like adding your own habits every day, and click on save. We have week, month, and just simply save it. Now since all of the data would be synchronized with the cloud, by the way, so you don't have to worry about it. It has a mobile apps as well. Other thing you can do here is that based on your needs, if you click on this, you have this AI assistant where you can share your problem with the assistant and then guide you based on that. For example, if I type here, and then it's gonna kind of tell me, since it's already know about me at the beginning, it asks me question to tailor the whole experience. Now this is just one piece of the ice. You can explore a lot of stuff like your intense coach, your friendly coach, your empathetic coach. You can talk to any of those person and then share your thoughts with them. It's really amazing. Anyway, so I think that will be it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you like my overall contents, I make videos every single week related to technology and design. If you would like to support this channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button with bell notification. Then I guess I will see you in the next video. Peace out. Thank you so much for watching.